Hey, it's Dr. Gil Suarez with my friend Crash, and I want to talk a little bit about some of the symptoms that humans and bulldogs have because of obstructive sleep apnea. First of all, chronic daytime tiredness. This guy sleeps probably like 15 hours a day. So a lot of my patients are always chronically tired, which is a normal symptom of obstructive sleep apnea. Also, patients will also exhibit daytime headaches, and they have difficulty staying awake while they're at work, while they're driving. So I can't help Crash, but I can definitely help you guys.